What's up, guys? Just stripped down the bike. I'm going to test fit the 8-hanger bars today. I'm not going to be able to fit them properly because I'm still waiting for the extended clutch cable. I can do most of the stuff, so I'm just going to test fit them. But I just want to see tanks off, everything's off, seats off. Oh, I got the floorboards today as well, so I'm going to fit them. Exciting times. Just got the throttle side done. I've never been more happy in my life. No wonder why Harley charged £1,000 to do this. Absolute pain. I've been a busy boy today. I've just finished routing the cables through my 12-inch 8-hangers. They look sick. I'm not going to show you them yet because I'm going to show you them when I've got everything done, but they look sick. A new windshield's arrived. The one I've got on it, this one here, buffers my head really badly. I noticed it when I was using open face the other day. So, and the stock one is a little bit too small, so I've gone with one in the middle. It's a smoked one from Puig, so that's going to look cool. I'm going to put that on in a sec. I've got floorboards that have come. These, I don't know if you can see, hold on. These guys, I actually got these off of a guy from Vinted. They've already got the right fitment, so chrome and black. I'm not sure what brand they are. They might be just a cheap Chinese brand, but they've got some weight behind them. They feel quite good, so they're going on. The bars are on. I've got to extend their brake, which I'll probably do today. And the tank is finished as well, which I know some of you guys are going to hate, but I've got some beautiful tank emblems to go on it, and I'll show you it in a second. Let's go and show you the tank. I've done a really good job this time, and I've got some breakout emblems to go on it. So, oh God, I'm stuck. Camera doesn't do it justice, but it's just kind of black, kind of a satiny gloss black. And I've got these black breakout emblems that say Harley Davidson. It's black and chrome, and I think it's going to look absolutely mint with the whole black and chrome style that I'm going for. But yeah, can't wait to get that all on. I think the style I'm going for is like a MC, like a blacked out kind of motorbike club cruiser. I've seen some beautiful exhausts. So Bassani, they're like, I think they're like radial, like 2x2 with the spikes, about £900, so maybe one day. Bars are on, tank is on, front fairing's on. I'm just doing the floorboards. It looks so good. It looks so good. What's up guys, you join me at my favourite spot. Behind me, the Sport Glide with its brand new look. Got so much done today, I'm so pleased with the results. Done the tank, done the bars, new windshield, floorboards. It's looking so good. Obviously ignore the odd grips, got to work that situation out, but yeah, so pleased, so pleased. These 12-inch apes are so perfectly positioned for my arms. They're so comfy, they're not too high, not too low. You get that really cool stance and you get that thick black look. Super transformed the bike. Just waiting now for my thick black sissy bar to go with the bars, and it's gonna look sweet. Might have to adjust the floorboards or the rear brake lever because I feel like I'm pressing down quite a bit to get to the brake. So I'm gonna have to work out how to adjust that. Yeah, got the middle height fairing, so not the tall one that buffered my head, and not the small one that didn't do anything. I think this is going to be perfect. It's blacked out as well to go with the black look. I'm going to keep the pops of chromes because I think that looks really cool as well. Just need a saddleman seat, I think, and then yeah, sissy bar. And it looks so good. Morning guys, what's up? Hope everyone's doing well. It's cloudy but sunny Saturday, and it's dry, it's warm. So gonna head out on the bikes, gonna meet Austin, gonna meet my dad. I think dad needs to go to Goldtop to get some armour for his new jacket, so I think we're gonna head to Goldtop, hopefully stop and get some breakfast brunch on the way, and just have a nice little day. The bike is looking so good, but you know what I realised this morning? I've sprayed the tank satin black, and I'm 99% sure I ordered gloss black paint, and it didn't even occur to me after spraying it, after looking at the tank, seeing how nice it looked, that it was satin until now, and until I've looked at the can this morning and saw it was satin. I've ordered some gloss black paint now, so that satin black paint could be like a nice base coat, I guess. And then I'm just going to gloss over it again when that comes, just so it matches the front fairing and the bags and the rear fender a bit more, because obviously the rest of the bike is gloss black. Doesn't look bad, but yeah, I'm going to take it gloss black. And then I've bought breakout emblems, Harley breakout emblems, so they're like black and chrome. They're going to look really sick with a little skull on the bottom, just my style. So I'm going to put them on when they come, but that's next week. Sissy bar's coming next week. Other than that, so happy with how she looks. Can't wait to get out on her today. I'll bring you along with me and just have a nice day. But thanks for all the comments on my last video, just about like what content I need to put out. Really appreciate everyone's feedback. It was all really nice, positive, made me feel good, and made me motivated to do more videos. So really appreciate you guys. So yeah, let's just have a good old Geordie vlog today and have a bit of fun. Let's go. Also, is there a name for the style that I've gone for with this bike? I've been trying to find the right name for it, but I'm not too sure what the style is. There's an Instagram page called, there's a group actually, somewhere in Europe, they're called the Brake Boys. It's kind of similar to their style, so it's always like big, black, chunky bars, kind of fat boy, cruiser, custom looking bike. But yeah, I don't know what the style is that I've gone for, but I've seen a few bikes like it. But if you can, check out Brake Boys on Instagram. I think that is pretty much the style that I've gone for. Oh, and one last thing, seat wise, Do I go for the standard Saddleman 2-up seat with the square back, or do I get like a nice low profile single seat and bob it out a bit more? Not sure which one to go for. I know it will look sick with the 2-up seat, but that is a lot more club style, and I haven't really gone club style with the bike, so not sure if it will suit it. It will look cool, but I'm not sure if it will suit it. I think maybe a single low profile seat might suit it more. I don't know, what do you think? Comment down below. Loop wheel vibes. They're like 50 quid each.
Yes. If you live in them.
Pulled up at Goldtop. We got Dad and Austin over there. Just rode all the way through beautiful countryside. I can't get POV because I've forgotten my POV mount, and I can't twist the camera so it's facing forward because my fairing's on. So sorry about that. Running for a 350 Classic, really nice. And then Royal Enfield Continental GT. Lovely car.